Welcome to today's try on haul transparent, where we'll be showcasing a pair of Pantyhose stockings, filmed in 4K detail, to highlight the fabric, fit and overall style. The goal is to provide a clear view of how these stockings look in real motion and how they compare with other hosiery styles. This pair features a supportive waistband that holds securely without being restrictive. The fabric has a smooth and consistent weave, offering both comfort and durability. Reinforced seams at the toe and waistband ensure strength, while the light stretch allows the stockings to move naturally with every step. In this hosiery try-on video, you'll see both close-ups of the material and full-length views, showing how the pantyhose adapt to different positions and lighting. Compared to sheer stockings, which are designed for a delicate, lightweight finish, or lace stockings, which add a decorative element, these transparent pantyhose are simple, versatile, and practical for everyday wear. Glossy tights deliver a more eye-catching shine, and nylon pantyhose remain a timeless option for classic styling. This pair finds a balance between subtlety and functionality, making them suitable for professional settings, casual outfits, or evening wear. This pantyhose try-on haul is intended to highlight the fabric quality, the way it fits in motion, and how it can enhance different outfits without overpowering them. If you enjoy stockings hauls, pantyhose try-ons, and hosiery fashion reviews, check the pinned comment for more videos. And let us know which style you prefer, sheer, lace, glossy, or nylon.